Today I'm going to show you how to turn on URL formatting in Microsoft Edge, step by step. This is a really useful setting if you want copied and pasted links to stay cleaner and more readable, instead of turning into a long messy web address every time you move them around. It only takes a few clicks, and once you turn it on, Edge will handle URLs in a much more convenient way. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once Edge is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three dots menu. From there, select Settings. This is where Microsoft Edge keeps all of its main customization options, including appearance and browsing behavior. After the settings page opens, look over to the left-hand menu and click Appearance. The Appearance section controls how Edge looks and behaves on screen, so this is the right place to start. Next, scroll through the available options until you find Browser Behavior and Features. Click that section to expand it or open it, depending on your version of Edge. This is where Microsoft Edge stores several smart browsing options, including the setting for URL copy and paste formatting. Now look for the option called Change URL Copy-Paste Format. You should see a toggle next to it. Turn that toggle on to enable URL formatting. Once it's switched on, Edge will change how URLs are copied and pasted, making them easier to use in documents, messages, and other apps. If you are trying to clean up links or make copied URLs more manageable, this is the setting you needed. And that's it. You've successfully turned on URL formatting in Edge. It's a small change, but it can make a big difference if you work with links often. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple browser tips and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.